Adjectives Basic English Grammar. There are 8 main types of adjectives in English grammar. In this video, you'll learn these with adjective types with examples. Proper adjectives are words that modify nouns and pronouns. E.g., I love Thai food. Descriptive adjectives are words that describe nouns or pronouns. E.g., a tall building is standing in front of me. Quantitative adjectives are words that qualify a noun or pronoun by quantity. E.g., I drank little juice at breakfast. Numeral adjectives are words describing nouns or the order of nouns. E.g., there are 7 days a week. Demonstrative adjectives express the relative position of a noun in time-space. E.g., will you give me that pen? Possessive adjectives are words placed before nouns. E.g., I did my work on time. Distributive adjectives refer to members of a group as an individual. E.g., student must submit their assignments on time. Interrogative adjectives are words used to modify nouns. E.g., what book is that for? For more such grammar topics, seek online assignment help from our experts. Chat with us now.